Regulation of enzyme, enzyme induction, enzyme repression, and allosteric enzyme regulation. So let's start with enzyme regulation. Enzyme can be regulated by other molecules that either increase or reduce their activity. Molecules that increase the activity of an enzyme are called activators, and molecules that decrease the activity of an enzyme are called inhibitors. There are five methods to regulate enzyme activity. First, allosteric regulation, next reversible covalent modification, proteolytic cleavage, feedback regulation, and regulation by isoenzyme. Enzyme induction. Enzyme induction is a process in which a molecule induces the expression of an enzyme. Enzyme inhibition is the inhibition of expression of enzyme by another molecule, interference at the enzyme level basically with how the enzyme works. An enzyme inducer, a type of drug which bind to an enzyme and increase in metabolic activity. Enzyme activity regulated by exposure to drug and environmental chemicals leading to increased rate of metabolism. Enzyme reduction can increase the metabolic clearance of a administered drug, resulting in reduced efficacy, which may compromise the therapeutic effectiveness of a drug. Enzyme repression is when the repressor molecule prevents the manufacture of an enzyme. Repression typically operates by feedback inhibition. For example, if the end product of a series of enzyme catalyzed reactions, a particular amino acid, that amino acid acts as the repressor molecule of further production. Next, allosteric regulation. An allosteric inhibitor, by binding to allosteric site, alter the protein conformation in active site of an enzyme, which consequently changes the shape of active site. These enzymes no longer remain able to bind to its specific substrate. Hence, enzyme is unable to perform its catalytic activity, that is, enzyme is now inactive. And this process is called enzyme allosteric inhibition. This is a process known as non-cooperative inhibition. All enzymes have some other site than active site at which substrate bind. These sites are known as allosteric site and these enzymes are known as allosteric enzyme. Next, importance of allosteric inhibition. Allosteric enzymes are regulated enzymes. They are moderator and active site. They are initiated